everyone, welcome to 5 minutes belly dance with me. Alright, now let's work on some combinations to play with the barrel turn. I'm going to show you a few turns that we can use with this. First, we're going to go to the left with the 3-point turn. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, touch, and 1, 2, 3, touch. So now with the barrel turn, you're going to, as you step to the side, your hands always start from here and you go. So, and as you get ready, you go 1, 2, 3, touch. And as you're going to the other side, you go and. As you get ready, as you, this leg is going to open up, and 1, 2, 3, and touch. Okay, and after that, we are going to do unwind turn. You're going to step and 1. So your hands are here, right? So as you 1, 2, your arms prepare this way, and then you, as you do your unwind, you're going to turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure when you finish your unwind turn, put your weight on the front leg because you're going to change side. Alright, we're going to do the unwind turn now with the right leg. 1, 2. Alright, so from here, your weight is in front. We're going to step cross. As you get ready, your hands 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight in front, and then we're going to do the pedal turn with the arms. When you go to the right, your left arm comes down. When you go to the left, your right arm comes down. All right, so this is the rule of thumb for pedal turn, for the barrel turn. All right, so I'm going this way, so my left is coming down. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and after this, I'm going to do the walk around turn. Because my left leg is free, I'm going to just step on the left in 4 steps while I'm doing the barrel turn. So it's going to be 1. Remember, if I'm going to the left, my right arm will go down, my left come up. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's try this with the music. 5, 6, 7 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe and bell button, and see you again next time. Bye.